Good morning, fam. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My satellite finder V8 finder 2 is bad, so I just noticed there's a fault from the switch producing a sound in the machine. So I want to just show you how to rectify that problem. So that is the finder. You can see the motherboard. This motherboard is connecting is linked to the screen, while this one is linked to the speaker. So these are the components in the motherboard. This is the LMBR port, the speaker, the batteries. This is the batteries port, and this is the switch port. So the problem is from the switch. The switch is not supporting it, so it instead produce a sound from the motherboard. So I noticed something. If I'm going to do a short circuit on the switch, it comes on. That is it. It comes on. So I want to do, for now. I'm far from the city. For now, I'm far from the city, so the location I'm there now currently is far from Boya or Douala or Yaoundé where I can get that switch. So I need to improvise by using a cable to do the short circuit. So I'm just going to take this cable and pass it through any hole here because I need to use the machine now. So let's see what to do. I can disconnect this and connect this cable to this cable and use this cable to power on the machine. Okay, so I've already connected it. Let's connect it and see. Make sure you connect your switch port to your switch. Don't connect it to your speaker port. If not, your machine will be bad. I see. So it comes on. So that is how you can. My had a problem. It had problem of switch. Yours can have problem of memory. Nobody knows. So that is all. Okay.